pussy, bro.
I'm tired of these niggas roasting for me.
light skin.
No, you better not.
Yo, y'all see
I know that.
Hey, free P. Diddy though, man.
And my boy, that's burn on went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular route. I'm turn up the channel, no burn, no key vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, hold straight to the road to 100K, suck by the share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know burn no judge out the vid, we gon' burn over murder. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Burno done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Burno the littest, YouTuber living.
Where we outside with, man? Where we at, bro? Where we at, bro?
Hey, we at Diddy release party, nigga.
Everybody know ain't no party like a Diddy party, so.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
We got the Dream Dolls outside, you know what I'm saying?
I don't give a fuck.
And we about to pop our shit. Free KO to KO free, period, until it's backwards.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And y'all know where I'm from. I'm from Indy. Big Indy, not the little Indy.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
And I got my bitch outside with me.
Why y'all handing? Where the drink is? I'm not taking no shot.
We've been taking shots back and forth.
I'm not taking no shot.
Yeah, bring it on over here.
You got 20 in this bitch. 20 in this. Where your shirt? Where your?
I told him all the strip. Get naked. Hi.
You sure,
right?
Everybody
was supposed to take a shot.
Hey, all the dogs taking shots.
Mark my words. Who next? 3 months finna hide. 50 of them.
Oh my God.
No, not the darn.
Hey, take a shot for the vlog. Fuck it. Everybody, fuck it.
Damn.
God damn, everybody take a shot.
I get a little more aggressive.
You might be drunk as
Alright, Brando, flip. You take a shot.
What?
Yeah, give me that.
Yeah, I'm fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with.
No.
Hey, Dream, dog, I knew it.
Like that, nigga.
Yeah, you just gonna take my camera. All right. Everybody looking at me.
That nigga Brando a bad bitch.
DSP, I'm running straight, that bitch getting left at the line.
He don't got no throw. Hey, yo, what the fuck? Oh my God.
Josh said he ain't got no throw.
You don't drink it again. Not my shit.
You gonna get all.
Bro, who shit is this? I'm about to turn this shit up.
Nigga, yeah.
You know that was your phone.
I'm about to get drunk, about to hang out the windows, and might do some gay shit. Free R. Kelly, free Diddy, bitch.
Yo. Stop.
Oh, yeah.
What would you do if there was a child?
Wait, what are you recording? No paparazzi.
We got my nigga Jacob in this bitch.
No.
You got Mason.
Yeah, I got Mason.
Who, but I'm about to take this shit home. Who shit? Oh, I'm about to say, don't let me hold that bitch.
But we also got baddest bitch here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Introduce yourself. He gets camera shot.
Oh, you gotta keep that in there. No, keep that in there. Yeah.
Hey, so you know I had to take a break. Well, not really a break, but I took a break before the event started. So we go got them oxtails over rice, you feel me? We go fries, you feel me? Crinkle fries, by the way. And we go got them cabbage, the jerk way, you feel me? So just give me about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna turn it back on, and hopefully it'll be some action. Let's do it. Hey, bro, we got the rich niggas out here, bro. Who? We got the rich niggas out here, bro. Shit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck. What is that? What model that is, twin? What model that is? Don't say shit. What model that is?
That's the fucking BMW the 6'9".
What is that, twin?
It's 325.
Nigga.
Right? 325.
What it is, bro? What it is, bro?
RS.
Huh?
Inline 6.
What this is, bro?
Oh, that's a ZL1 now, right?
Stupid ass. Hey, bro, there go ZL1. This a real ZL1 though? This a real one? I think so, bro. Oh, this a nice ass V6. I got the same engine he got, bro. Oh God, bro. You said what?
The Diddy stick.
Yeah, you got a
Diddy. Oh yeah, he got the Diddy.
got a doodle bar.
That nigga different, bro.
Do that shit like, yeah. That would be crazy.
What the fuck? This bitch is tough.
You gotta check out the super truck.
Later.
Free Diddy, nigga!
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
Huh?
Free them niggas. Come on. Hey, everybody.
Move it out, that shit gonna go.
Y'all niggas gonna Planet Fitness.
You is not the Hulk, you can't lift the whole car.
Boy, if you don't get what you doing. Hey, somebody write that nigga a parking ticket. You can't park there.
Hey, them motherfucker right here. I do. Talk to him, bro. Give me a, how you feel right now, bro?
My nerves better than a motherfucker, boy.
But you about to handle business though, right?
I gotta compete against niggas like him.
Them niggas a demon.
I'll let you chase through. I'll let you get. Yeah, let me chase you, twin.
Yeah,
like how we
lay down
yesterday.
Right, I'll lay down a couple doors for you.
Yeah, like, you got a clutch on the motion. He popped the clutch.
Your shit different. It's nasty. That shit nasty.
All I got is,
How you feeling, bro? How you feeling right now?
good. It's lit out this bitch.
Okay,
And
okay.
it's just the start of it.
So you moving to Atlanta?
No.
GPS too retarded for me.
GPS. I'm scared of them boys.
I ain't lying to you.
Hey, man.
Hey, but since I've been out here though, that shit, everything been covered. I ate some wings last night.
I'm telling you, the wings good. Hey, I'm telling you, the wings different now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But moving out here, traffic too bad for me.
But you like it though, culture-wise, culture-wise.
Culture-wise, yeah.
Okay. That's good, that's good. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. This shit is crazy. This shit crazy. You got one of the best sliders. You got really the best sliding team in the nation. You got some of the best sliders in the nation. Everybody here at once in Atlanta, in my city. So this shit crazy, bro. Hit that subscribe button, bro. All summer we dropping bangers, bro. I got a new camera, new mic. Got this black ass nigga outside.
What's up, baby? What's how y'all doing?
But tell me how the camera, bro. Like, what you think of the new camera, bro?
It look good, bro. It look good. That's what I'm saying. Look, matter of fact, let me show you.
But look who shows up fashionably late, bro. Why you late, bro?
Huh?
Why you late, bro?
Shit. I'm on time, bro.
Bro, you're late, bro. Black people, bro. Black people always be late, bro.
Here, come this way.
What you doing, bro? Oh, damn, bro.
Oh, shit.
Damn, bro. You don't pay to get in, bro?
Hold it.
You was camera bitch too?
Huh?
You was cameraman, bud. Oh, you got water on your screen. You got clean that.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
fuck out.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, don't get my partner.
Damn.
Hey, somebody barrier That happened in Jacksonville. I know y'all remember that. Yeah.
That's what happened in Indy. Remember that nigga's leg snapped in half?
Oh
my God. That's what happened in Indy. That's what happened in Indy.
Let me see.
That nigga with that.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Yo, y'all see?
I know Jack. I have faith in Jacob.
Look at that nigga leg.
That nigga messy ass.
Who hit him?
Oh my God. Let me see. I'm tired of these niggas. Roast
You
for me.
light skin.
No, you better.
Pinto beans. Lima beans. Green beans. Motherfucking Mr. Clean. Looking at. I'm just playing. I'll fuck with you.
You better.
I was about to say, you just saved yourself by saying you fuck.
Queen said get you, I have to get you. I'm sorry, my bad.
Go ahead and take your ski off, nigga.
Now let's check it out. Take that motherfucker off. So first off, tattoos. Who did the tattoos?
Big shit.
Ass.
Big
No,
shit.
ass.
Big shit.
Ass.
You already know.
Ass. And you over here cheerleading.
Big shit.
You over here cheerleading your mans. What, you need kneecaps or what?
Oh,
Shoelace tied in the bitch. You from the left, loosen the bitches up. First off,
start running that.
how you even put braces on your teeth? You see more guns than you see teeth. Stop, bro.
Bro, take the mask off, gang. Come on. Like, for real. All you see is legs and neck. Legs and long ass neck.
$10 tattoo.
Look at that. Long ass boy.
How much you sell for this shirt?
Ladder body ass nigga.
Your knees hurt from the shirt.
Oh shit. Huh?
Your knees hurt from the shirt.
Hell no.
Oh, stupid ass.
I be in the gym every day.
Take that off. Nigga, now you don't choke. Oh, I'm gonna eat food looking ass.
I'm not even finna sit here and entertain your goofy ass nigga.
You reply to me. You reply to me. Now you fucked up. You reply to me, so you fucked up. Get the diamond tester out, bro. Get the diamond tester out, bro. Get the diamond tester out, bro.
Where's that? Come on.
Got one?
Ding, 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 ding.
Nah, when niggas say that, bro, his shit real.
Let's go get watched too. Slap that nigga with that bitch.
Boom. Bro, can we start sliding, bro? I paid $60, bro.
I mean,
I paid $60.
Yeah, you
Want one, bro?
today, Brando?
$60? Your ass got ham.
You was sliding today?
I just made $100.
You about to slide? You about to slide? You about to slide?
Best slider at that bitch.
I'm really the best slider. I'm trying to
No,
chill.
you the best slider.
I appreciate you. Stop it.
Nigga, look at him cheating.
Guess I gotta eat that ass.
That's
Nigga,
Free P. Diddy. Free P. Diddy.
wait a minute.
Free R. Kelly, nigga.
Calm down, Diddley, nigga. It's okay, Diddley.
I got 6% on this bitch. Nigga, charge you. I gotta charge you if you need one.
I'm gonna go get my camera. Hold on, fuck that.
That nigga funny as hell though. Oh God, that nigga.
Hey, leave these niggas alone.
I don't give a fuck. Get the fuck off the feet. I just spend my money to drop.
Hey, if you touch
I'll go one by one and pull them niggas. They don't know me.
It ain't got nothing to do with me, gang.
I don't feel like you standing on business, nigga.
I didn't drive 8 hours to get shut down for you Atlanta in. The fuck? Y'all leave it, I don't. They're homie.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. This shit is crazy. They stopped this shit about, how many times they stopped this shit about? What?
15 times, bro.
But they
If you touch the gate, it stopped. If
Bro.
you in the middle, it stopped. If a tire fly too high, it stopped.
bro, this
If you
shit,
too black, it stopped. If you too fat, it stopped.
bro, this shit is so crazy, bro. Like, they stopping everybody, every time somebody do something, they stop the event. It about to be dark. Well, we got those. You go Fin, you go Vet, and you got a charger on the other side. We about to see what they can do. For sure. What?
I'm sorry. Okay, where y'all go? But I gotta go home. It is not my choice.
Why? What happened?
It's not my choice. The chief said y'all gotta dip out, bro.
Chief?
Yeah. It ain't on me, bro. Y'all gotta dip out. I'm sorry.
Hey, free P. Diddy though, man.
Y'all gotta go home, man. I'm sorry. Y'all going home. Exactly. I don't gotta leave, but y'all definitely gotta get out of here.
Damn, twin.
Hey, I'm snitching. He got weed on him. He got drugs.
Who got the 3-5? Who got the 3-5? Need that 3-5?
I got it.
Shout out to Clayco. He want that 3-5.
Hey, he smuggled snacks.
Y'all kicking us out.
It ain't me.
What's the reason he gave you? Okay, that pole?
Yeah, buddy just got hit down there 2 times. He don't know how to drive.
I mean, yeah, look at you. Slide a bit real quick.
No. You can't have no fucking intercom from the
Bro, God.
Your career, how long you been doing this, officer?
Long enough.
Okay.
Do you like this though? Do you like it? You fuck with it?
If they know how to drive, yeah.
There you go.
They see the type of pole and shit.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
That boy came in like that, waiting for a nigga to do that shit.
Y'all.
Hey, at least you're a cool one though. At least you're a cool one. That nigga's heat. Oh yeah. This bitch down. What happened, OG? What going on, OG?
Hey, you too buff to be jumping out the car like that, man. Damn.
Hey, bro.
I know. But yeah,
let me know.
I'll keep you updated, okay?
I appreciate y'all, bro.
Be safe, bro.
Oh, yeah, too. No, twins said they need the pole. So we did the pole, it was over. Yeah, I know, bro. This shit clip. This nigga, bro. Hey, man. This shit crazy. Y'all just got here. I was trying to ask you, bro. What wrong with the pump?
Yeah, what the pump? That's why when I first started.
Be safe, okay?
Yes, nigga.
Y'all scared?
Do it.
No, bullshit, bro.
Yeah, let's do it.
Come on. You see the plate down, bro. Going to the street. What we doing? Going to the streets or what we doing, bro?
I ain't no pussy, bro.
Still on your ass, though. Come on.
They so full of themselves.
Yeah. Straight. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Monster, bro. Free case of Monster, bro. Shout out to Monster. Make sure y'all like this video, hit that subscribe button. Unfortunately, the shit got closed early. But hey, I got y'all niggas the content. I got a free case of Monsters. W Monster.
At this moment that he knew, he fucked up.
Just say trouble back.
What y'all about to do?
We going to the crib, nigga. It's hot. Yeah, it's too hot out here, bro. What?
Alright, bet.
Too hot. Let go. Say trouble back, gang. Alright, man. I'll come back with some goddamn.
Challenger, it be too low with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.